Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching this out there on the World Wide Web. This is Jeremy Geelan for SYS-CON TV here at the final fourth day of 11th Cloud Computing Expo. Who would have thunk it? I have Jamie Marshall with me, CTO of Prologue. Now, I'm not sure we're going to talk about Prologue because Compatible One has really become the hottest brand here at the show. What's the connection, Jamie, between the two?
Well, Prologue's a company that's been around for a long, long time. We started in 1978 with microcomputer-based operating systems, and we've got a tendency to work in microcomputing technology as well, with virtual microcomputing technology, and we found ourselves in the cloud, and all of our technology from the past has been what we've built Compatible One upon. And so this is a great adventure for us in Prologue and for the people in Compatible One. We've drawn it all together and found ourselves in the middle of really quite something exciting, especially here.
We found ourselves in the cloud. I like that. But I mean, what does that translate to in product terms?
Well, in terms of products, we're working on a very consequential brokerage platform which moves back from the clouds themselves to interoperate different heterogeneous clouds. We're talking about autonomous automation. We're talking about the next step, the future generation of cloud management software.
Right, so that's really the key. You are leveraging your incredible experience to get ahead possibly of everyone in the field?
It could be put that way, or rather
hubristic. Perhaps we shouldn't say that.
Yes, rather reluctant to push so far. But we were initially given the objectives of building something similar to OpenStack, but seeing as how OpenStack existed, it really was not logical to reinvent the wheel. And so consequently we stepped back a little bit and looked at the cloud marketplace and realized that there was a need to federate, to create an interoperability layer which allowed it all to work together. And that's where Compatible One sits, and that's where it seems to be appealing.
Right. Now, if somebody wanted to, they're listening to this, it's piqued their interest, perhaps they don't even know the name Compatible One, where should we send them to on the web to go and explore resources?
Well, that's very simple. The www.compatibleone.org is the site which gives you all the information that you need. It's an open source project, and we've recently just announced the creation of the open source community around Compatible One, and we're looking for sponsors, we're looking for people that want to get involved, and we're finding a lot of people that really do want to get involved.
Well, then get involved yourself. So you heard the URL, compatibleone.org. Say that Jamie Marshall invited you to go there and try and get involved. It sounds like a great thing.
Well, thank you very much. Thank you very much for having me, and please come along and help.
Thank you so much. Jamie Marshall, CTO of Prologue, and thank you for following along out there on the World Wide Web.